So I lost my voice last year and had to go on doctor-ordered vocal rest. After going to Mexico, drinking all the tequila, and not singing, but talking really loud. So I wrote this on the plane back home from Mexico. Just knowing that I was gonna have to quit my job. Well, I'm thinking about getting a dog. I'm tired of spending life in a fog, while them others living half the hard, and I'm rooting around in a pen. It's too much to worry all day long whether sound will come out of my song. Turns out I've been doing it wrong. I guess all good things must end. I've always been good at getting what I want when I work hard enough, when I use the right font, when I put it in bold. Do what I'm told, I usually settle near the top of the stack. But lately it feels like I'm lost in the shuffle of sound that once boomed silence down to a muffle. Don't know that I got what I once I thought would keep me running wild with the pack. I'll turn my house into a B&B, home while I play charcuterie, plant flowers that'll bring in the bees, watch them work from the porch while I sit. I'll be the lady with more than one cat. Hell, I already have enough to wear that hat. Stop caring about how much I bass, and be happy that I swung for a hit. I've always been good at getting what I want when I work hard enough, when I use the right font, when I put it in bold, and do what I'm told. I usually settle near the top of the stack. But lately it feels like I'm lost in the shuffle of sound that once boomed silence down to a muffle. Don't know that I got what I once I thought would keep me running wild with a pack. Well, it's a poet's tragic plight, the trade bars for broad daylight. Clocking in just don't sound right. What a strange way of keeping time. I guess dreams ain't always real, despite how good they feel. And this hurt'll take time to heal, but with patience I'll make it right. I've always been good at getting what I want when I work hard enough, when I use the right font, when I put it in bold. Do what I'm told, I usually settle near the top of the stack. But lately it feels like I'm lost in the shuffle of sound that once boomed silence down to a muffle. Don't know that I got what I once I thought would keep me running wild with a pack. Yeah, would keep me running